Car Starting Safety. Video script. Welcome to our Car Starting Safety Guide. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new one, these tips will help you start your car safely. Number 1. Check your surroundings. Before starting your car, look around. Ensure there are no obstacles, pedestrians, or other vehicles nearby. Number 2. Buckle up first. Always buckle up before starting the engine. Seat belts save lives. Number 3. Ignition key position. Insert the key and turn it to the on position. Don't crank the engine yet. Number 4. Dashboard lights. Check. Check dashboard lights. They should illuminate briefly. If any stay on, address the issue before driving. Number 5. Foot on brake. Press the brake pedal firmly. This ensures safety and prevents accidental movement. Number 6. Crank the engine now. Turn the key to the start position. Listen for the engine to roar to life. Number 7. Release the key. Release the key once the engine starts. It'll automatically move to the on position. Number 8. Listen and observe. Listen for any unusual sounds. Observe the dashboard for warning lights. Number 9. Warm-up time. Let the engine warm up for a minute or two. It's good for the car and safer for you. Number 10. Ready to drive. You're ready to hit the road.